Yeah, this is wonderful mineritya training centers. Do you know why? So that is because of me. No. There are new wonderful friends around. Well, these are all our friends, but you see, this is mineritya. This is around 5:30. Not PM. There's a melodious voice around us. Wow. Fine. Yeah, this is October. They are very amazing guys. We are group of science teachers. So we are going to meet them. Why don't you join with us? So superb. So very melodious voice. Dancer. This is really enjoyable. So why we organize this kind of stuff? To give students some extra energy. Yeah. These are our new made teachers. Yeah. All are graduates from their health in Sri Lanka. But this mineritya TC gives this wonderful enjoyment early morning. They are walking. Wow, let's listen. Some beautiful, melodious stuff is available. Yeah. God. Listen, we are walking down to see some most amazing birds. Not in Rafi birds, perhaps in Sri Lanka, perhaps in the world. We are going to identify today. So please do visit here. Early morning, especially for science activities with the kids. You can enjoy a lot and lot. Good.